I'm going to create a player first. You can use any sprite you want. I'm just going to use a box and a circle. Now create a script. I will name it player. First we need to get the position of our mouse. To do that we need variable where we can assign the position. Then create a function. I will name it rotate to mouse POS. In this function we will rotate the player to where the mouse is. To do that, first get the position of the mouse. Mouse POS is equals to camera.main. Screen to world point. Input.mouse position. Now we create a vector 2 and name it target POS. Then assign target POS to the player's transform.up. Now our player is rotating. Next is to move the player to the mouse. Let's create another function and name it move to mouse POS. And also create another vector 2 where we can store the player's next position. In the rotate to mouse POS, assign the mouse position as the next position. Now back to the move to mouse POS function. Make an if statement. And check if the player's position is not equal to the next position. Inside that if statement, we have to move the player towards the mouse position. Transform.position equals vector 2. Move towards. First we need our player's current position. Transform.position. Second our target position which is stored in our next POS variable. Last thing we need is the speed of our player. Create a serialize field float variable. I will name it speed. And then speed times time dot delta time. Don't forget to assign a speed. Now I want our player to only move when I right click. One means right click, and if you change it to 0, it will read it as left click. Now our player moves to where I right click. The last thing is the camera. I will use Cinemachine to follow our player. If you don't have Cinemachine, you can easily install it. Just go to your Windows tab, under that go to Package Manager, and in there search Cinemachine, and click Install. Now under our virtual camera, drag and drop your player. Adjust your dead zone width and height. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you. See you in the next video.